Today, in our English class, we are going to understand parts of speech in your grammar topic. Okay, it's a topic of grammar, parts of speech, very interesting topic. See, when we speak sentences. We speak sentences. And these sentences that we speak have words. So if we study all the words that we speak, we will find that every word has speciality. Every word has its own speciality. And if we, depending upon that speciality, if we categorize them, if we put them in categories, in groups, if we try to put them in group according to the property, according to the characteristic, according to the speciality, we find that we can make 8 groups. These words can be put into 8 categories. Now let's see what are those categories. There are words that have names. All those words that we know, you know, all knows, they all are nouns. Okay? So we have out of 8 groups, 8 categories, one group that is noun, that is names. Rather we say noun, okay? Noun means names. All words that have a name will be put into this category. Then we have those words, those special words that we use in place of a noun. Akbar was a great emperor of India. Akbar word is name, but if I say he instead of Akbar, if I denote that noun with he, then we call it pronoun. So this is another category. Pronouns he, she, it, they, we. And then again we have words that shows quality. Words that specifically show quality of a noun. We call them adjective. So remember, now up till now we have 1, 2, 3. And out of 8, 3 we have discussed. The remaining we will discuss now. There are still words that show action. So when we are using sentence, in that sentence, if any word shows action, the speciality of that word is that it is showing action, then we will give that word another name, and that we call as. So here we have number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Let's discuss more 4. Let's start here, 4 there, and let's see what will be 5. So when we use sentence and we try to connect one sentence with another sentence, then that is called connecting word that connects the sentence. That is called conjunction. That is called conjunction. Let's put 5, number 5 here, another one. We have noun, pronoun, adjective, verb. Now, verb means action word. Now, there are certain types words that show the actions action. Actions action means how that action is happening actually. The words that tells you how the action has happened, that we call as adverb. Now remember one thing, all these words, special words are coming from the words that we speak in sentence. So in your sentence there are words that have the names, there are words that have action, that show action. Words in a sentence, there are words that show quality. And so we are categorizing them. This is a category. I said there are 8 types of words you will find in a sentence. So out of those 8 we have mentioned noun, pronoun, adjective, verb and adverb, and conjunction means the word that joins the sentence. Sometimes you speak a sentence and the sentence is lengthy. Being lengthy is the result of addition. Some sentence has got added in it because of some word that is connecting it. So that connecting word is called conjunction. This is another specialty word. Okay. And then when we speak sentence, there are certain words that show the relation between one noun and between another noun. They show the relation, their position, and because they show position, the star is on the table, on, the cat is sitting under the table, under, beneath, above. So these are, because they are positions, we call a preposition. 7th member. Preposition. I give you 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds to just revise this quickly. See how many we have completed. One is still remaining. Just look at this. Okay. The last one, 8th one is remaining. And that is, sometimes when you speak your sentences and you show your emotions. Oh, my God. Wow. Hooray. Hip hip hooray. Fantastic, amazing, superb. All these expressions that are used to express your feelings, expressing feelings, those words we call them interjection. Call them interjection. Now, my dear students, we have completed all 8 types, 8 categories of words that we call as parts of speech. Why we call them parts? Because sentence is made up of words. Words are the part of sentence. And these all words that we use in sentence, they have their own speciality, their own characteristics. That's why we categorize them. So any sentence you speak, any sentence in English in the world you speak, it will have word either falling in this category or in this category or in this category or in any of these 8 categories. I'll give an example. Okay? I will write here a sentence. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. Let's try to analyze, break it. He is a word. He, where he will come. Out of this, where he will come. He is a pronoun. I will put it here. Let's see, this is auxiliary verb. It's an action. Here it's playing the role of action. So we will put in verb. Here is verb. I'll put is here. What is this? What about this? Is what? It's an article. So is showing here number. There's a number can be put into the category of adjective. Okay, so we put here as an adjective, good as an adjective because is showing number. So we have adjective of numbers. We have good is a good boy. Good is a quality of a person. So we put good here. It's an adjective. Then we have a boy. Now I want somebody to tell me where boy will come. Boy is a person. It's a name. It's a common noun. It will come under the boy. So this is how we categorize. Let me give you another example. Let's write one sentence here and sentence here. Cat is on the table. Cat is sitting. Or cat, I'll write book here. Book is on the table. Now book, you analyze, break the words. This is a sentence, break the word. Book is a noun. Again, is a verb. Here, on is what? Preposition. On. And then, the is an article. So, the we leave. This is an article. So, we leave it. It would be demonstrative adjective. You can put here. Demonstrative adjective. Here you can put. And table. Table is what? Noun. Again, noun. Name of a thing. So we put table again. Here is the category of. Again, one more sentence. Wow. It's wow. Wow. It's wow. What about this word? Where this word will come? It will come in a expression. Where is expression? Where is expression? Yes. We will put wow. It's wow. It's now. It's demonstrative adjective. Demonstrate it is. It is something. Is. So we break this. It is. Is will come here. And it will come pronoun. It will come in pronoun. It is wow. It is wow. Wow is it. It is fantastic. Fantastic, if I write fantastic, it's a quality. Quality will come here in adjective. Now my point is, if you go on analyzing sentences, after sentences, you will find sentence will contain word and that word will of particular category. Depending upon that category, you can call it verb, adverb, adjective, whatever we have mentioned here in out of 8 parts of speech. So these are parts of speech. Now I give you some time to study your beautiful poem. The name of the poem itself is Parts of Speech. You can